from the Junk Journal Ministry, and That's Just Penny, for the Women of the Bible study series. And this week is Peter's mother-in-law. If you check out the Art Bible Journaling Facebook group, you will see the Women of the Bible study also on the main site. All of the links will be down in the description box below, where you can find all of these printables, the lessons, and everything you need to create pockets, prayer pockets, and junk journals. Super, super excited. We have a new calendar for this month for the Women of the Bible study. We have already completed for the leaders. We have completed Joanna and Noah's wife, and now we are doing Peter's mother-in-law, and next week we will be doing the widow's mite. So that will wrap up June, doing 4 ladies a month. We have done previous ladies in last month's, the last years for the leaders. So there's more leaders on the main site page for you to study. But for this week, we are doing Peter's mother-in-law. Super excited. Love it, love it, love it. Here is the vintage image. This is the study notes. It is just my thoughts and my studies, my inspiration, things like that for you guys. So yes, so please go check that out. If you don't want to download any PDFs or anything like that, then stay tuned for the video of me using the kit and also going into the study notes about Peter's mother-in-law. Here we have a vintage cover. This is for a traveler's notebook size cover. It's a little bit bigger than a traveler's notebook. It's like a signature, but you're actually creating a cover for it. So this is the vintage image. This is from my private collection. Super excited. And I have created a traveler's notebook size journal, scrapbook papers, and some elements and things like that. So super. Look at all these pages. There's several pages. I have done some quick collage pages for the scrapbook papers. Super excited. This is just the collage, like all the papers that are available. Here's the traveler's notebook size pages for the journal itself. So these are the same. They're blowed up versions or shortened versions of the scrapbook papers. Here's the covers again. I did 2 different colors for the cover. This is more of a tilly blue. This is more of a navy denim blue. This is what the vintage hanky. This is from Grandma's Hanky's kit, is what these are from. And here are the elements, but they are for the traveler's notebook size. So they're different sizes. Here are the more lighter scrapbook papers so that you can write on them or use them for backgrounds or covers or whatever. So I love this color. Look at this one. I hope you can see the colors on the camera. It's so pretty. It's got this bluish teal green looking color. Here's pink with a little hint of vintageness to it. I love this one. Look at this. Isn't it pretty? I hope you can see all these beautiful. They're light, but they do show up well for backgrounds and writing. And this. So that is Peter's mother-in-law traveler's notebook kit with and scrapbook papers to make whatever that you want. And then, of course, the elements. So I am going to be using the traveler's notebook if I want to create a journal to journal about Peter's mother-in-law. As I study, I can journal. I also I love doing the prayer pockets. So stay tuned. I'm going to be doing some Bible journaling, some faith art, and some traveler's notebook journaling tutorials. So stay tuned. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.